Welcome to day 664 of our Web3 journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein here with my twin brother Brian. And remember, these videos are being sponsored by DeSocial World. They are an app built on the DeSo blockchain. So, Brian, today's a big day for DeSo in that it is being added to yet another exchanger. We just had an exchange listing a few days ago, and it's actually going to be tomorrow morning, I believe, the listing on gate.io. So the listing is actually going to be listed, or trading is going to begin at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, but the listing actually goes into effect, I believe, at 9 p.m. Eastern time today. It's very interesting in the way that gate.io created this listing, in that they have this crowdfunding period where they're trying to raise $40,000 basically to say, okay, the community wants DeSo listed. And so far, it's up to, at the time of this video, $40,285,000. And there's been 13,164 supporters who are backing it. So there's a lot of excitement about DeSo on gate.io. This is a huge Asian community. It's one of the largest Asian exchangers, according to Nader Al-Naji. It's a little confusing how it's working. So basically, the way that this period starts is that one share is 20 USDT, and it's going to be 2.94 DeSo per share. So that's about $6.68 per DeSo. I don't know exactly how the distribution takes place. I want to thank Hugh G and Jian Da on DeSo for pointing out all this stuff and trying to explain it to me, but I'm still not smart enough to completely understand it. I'll read to you from Jian Da how this process works on gate.io. He said, this is the welfare activity of the Gate platform for platform users. For example, if you hold more than 500 US dollar in cryptocurrency holdings on your gate.io account and become a V1 user, you are eligible to participate in crowdfunding with a balance of 20 USDT per share. Like I said, the more holdings, the more copies you can participate in. In the end, 5,988 DeSo will be distributed according to the common ratio of the funds of all participants. Actually, no funds will be deducted, similar to a short position for participating users. And the current participation amount has reached 39 million USDT. Now it's 40 million. So I think what happens is it's divided up. So there's probably, maybe there's 40,000 USDT worth that will be distributed, and then it's divided up equally among how much money people have pledged. But I'm not really 100% sure how it works.
Yeah, I guess we'll kind of learn as it goes. But regardless, this is big because it's really I feel it's really gonna put DeSo on the map in Asia. And there's so many people in Asia, a lot of crypto enthusiasts, a lot of social media users in Asia. I think it could be big. I think that not only is it going to create a wider market for the DeSo coin, but it could bring on some DeSo users from that part of the world and maybe increase the daily active user numbers significantly. At least I hope.
Yeah, it sure seems like it should.
Yeah, so Mossified said that DeSo is going to make a bunch of changes to their Discord. They want to consolidate the Open Fund Discord into their other server so that there's less servers to manage for the core team. And it will also give builders a place for fundraising and developer support all in one place. I like this consolidation. I think it's good, especially since DeSo is not huge right now. I think having everything on Discord on one server, I think, is probably the way to go.
Yeah, I agree 100%.
So also Pearl, big news from Pearl this morning, and that is that they have initiated the launch of their all new creator coins. And when I say creator coins, these aren't creator coins in the DeSo traditional sense. They're not protocol creator coins. It's not creator coins version 2 like some people are hoping for. Uh, they don't use a bonding curve. Instead, Pearl has their own marketplace where supply and demand is able to determine the value after the initial coin offering, if you can call it that. And basically the way it works is that if somebody wants to release their creator coins on Pearl, what they do is set up a wait list. Those interested in buying at a given price, buying those creator coins at a given price, can join that wait list. Then when the coin offering opens up, those who signed up will randomly be selected for the opportunity to buy those coins. And the seller is able to set the minimum probability of, I guess, who will get what. And creators also they can release different coin rarities. So you could have diamond, gold, silver, different types of creator coins, and each rarity can come with different perks. So maybe, for example, we would want to release a creator coin on Pearl, and maybe gold versions will get early access to our videos, but maybe the diamond version of our coin, if you own one of those, maybe you'll get early access to our video, but you'd also get a 30-minute meeting with us every month on Zoom, something like that. So you can set like different perks. And I really like what they're doing. The platform's kicking off with a few coins of a few DeSo OGs. This includes Goldberry, Seals, and Menachem. If you're interested in kicking off your own coin, they have a form that you can just fill out. It's very quick, very simple, and they'll go over it and get back to you in a timely manner, I'm assuming. Just check out the blog post that we link to above this video on DeSo or below it on YouTube. Ed and I, we are considering creating one. We haven't yet because we're just overwhelmed with a lot of other stuff right now. And we want to make sure that when we do it in a thoughtful manner that we'll be able to uphold over the long run. But for now, I think definitely check it out. I love what Pearl's doing, and I think there's definitely potential here.
Yeah, and when you said the probability, when you talk about how creators are going to be able to set the probability, I think that just basically means, like say there's been 1,000 people who want to buy your coin, you could maybe say I'm gonna mint this many coins. So the demand versus the supply will create that probability.
Right.
I think that's what they mean by that.
Yeah, so if there's 1,000 people on the wait list, you're gonna mint 100 coins, then the probability would be 10% of actually
Well,
getting
that's
one.
if they're going for one coin each, show, right?
Right,
So
exactly.
people could buy more than one. So moving on, DeSo Mona by Striga may be coming in middle of February, and this is an NFT project by the OG. It's a really unique project where people who interact can earn from the royalties. More details are coming soon, but definitely check it out. DeSo Mona on DeSo.
Yeah, and another really cool project that I'm looking forward to is called Underdogs. It's a NFT collection coming very soon. The project's by Magnifico and Sleepyhead. It's a collection of 400 different NFTs, and the first 3 Underdogs NFTs are going to be minted today. So be sure to check them out at underdogs.nftz.me. Excited to see what they do.
And Effed Up Cats, we've been talking about them a lot in the last several months. We know they've extended to season 3, but now they're planning a season 4, and they hope to turn their brand into a phygital brand. And of course, physical and digital, it's all combined in one. It's kind of a new term we've heard in the last, I guess, year or two. They wanted to do so around a DAO, the FUC DAO Trust. Currently, they're working on a new website that's almost finished, and their new minting system for season 4 is also almost ready. They have a new minting model with 3 different price levels. So each price level is going to have a different chance of hitting a rare cat. So if you're at the upper echelon of the price levels, you're going to have a better chance of getting a rare cat. Lower echelon, you're going to have a lower chance of getting a rare cat. They want to bring new DeSo users over from Twitter and are looking for marketing support from the DeSo team, but they haven't actually heard back from DeSo about this. They'd love to do a 10K series, but that requires huge demand, and DeSo right now is just not, the demand's not there to create a 10,000 NFT series. They they like to gather that big community from Twitter and Discord and bring it over to DeSo because they know that bringing people to DeSo to buy their NFTs will just help the entire DeSo ecosystem. They're considering some other chains as well, but there's also hurdles to jump over with those chains too. So right now they're kind of in this wait and see mode. If you want to help out with funding or if you have any suggestions for them, definitely hit them up via DMs at FWCats on DeSo and check out the link above this video for more info. They have a really awesome blog post.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this as well. There seems to be a lot going on in the NFT space on DeSo, and I think as the price of DeSo rises, and hopefully these next few weeks we're going to see a lot of change with DeSo, that kind of extends itself, and the NFT ecosystem on DeSo continues to expand.
And I want to welcome back DeSo OG Soul, Sull, who had been gone for almost a year, he said. Welcome back. I know you've missed out on a lot, but I'm sure you'll catch up. It's good to always have another OG back in the ecosystem.
Absolutely. Welcome back, Soul.
So as many of you know, NFTZ.me is the only place where you can post and view live timed DeSo NFT auctions on the blockchain. Just go to nftz.me/auctions, and you can see a list of all the auctions ending soon, like in the next 2 or 3 days. I do want to highlight a few that are ending in the next 24 hours for those who are interested in bidding on some last minute auctions. Hippie Kitties number 43 ends today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Minimum bid is just 0.8 DeSo, so still relatively affordable price. Swaffs number 50 ends today at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and the minimum bid on that one is 1 DeSo. And Rodrigo Eloy Art, who we talked about last couple of days, has another Zodiac sign collection NFT up for auction. This one is number 7, Aries. Check it out. It ends at 4 p.m. Eastern time today.
Lots of great auctions again. So the top 10 NFT bidders on the DeSo blockchain over the last 24 hours, according to NFTZ, are as follows. Zer1, Tianju, Ambitious Lynch, WWGYHS, Tobias Schmid, J Happy, Minio. I think I got it right. I know that Minio keeps correcting the way I'm saying it. Sorry, Minio. I hope I said it right this time. Shady Acres, Tom Fensky, and Creepy Poe. And the top diamond creators over the last 24 hours, this list is thanks to our friends from Alton-Base. These people received the most diamonds or tips on their posts and replies on the DeSo blockchain last day. Jay Happy, followed by Striga, Clout Women Unite, Elric Ericos, Our Pete, Paul Moon Photos, Now and Then, Sean Slater, Michelle Lord, who had a great Twitter space with William Laurent yesterday, and Rihan Ree.
Yeah, and that's all the news we have for today. Everybody have a great rest of your Thursday, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.